What's up, traders? Welcome back to KJ Trading. Today's video is going to be a recap video. Um, Normally Monday and Tuesdays are recap videos, so shouldn't be a surprise to you. Um, as you can see today, put this down. I am down 1271. This is kind of like it's not a big day anymore because my account is much bigger than it was. It's about 4 times as big than it was a month ago because I've been adding some money in here. So back then, $12 was a lot. That was like 12% of the account, but now it's only like 1% or 1.5. So 1.5% is a decent loss. My max loss is 3%, so it was about $30. It's a little less than that now since my account is only 860. Um, but yeah, I'm down 1271. I'm not happy with my trades on this stock, GSX. Um, SJ, I just took a quick trade on them with my last remainder of my $5, and that was a losing trade as well. So let's go check them out. Alrighty. So here you can see I only had $300 today to use out of the 860. So I basically just kind of went all in. I went with five here on GSX. They started to come, um, on everybody's gap scanners going crazy. I heard about them right here on this green candle, and I waited for a pullback. They bounced right off the 90 MA here, and my strategy is to buy that first minute candle that makes new high. So this candle opened here, went green, broke over this candle's high here, and that's where I bought in. As you can see, I bought in at 31.18. The high of this candle I'm on is 31.15, so I gave it a couple cents of room just to make sure. And it basically just faked out. Um, Now here is where I should have stopped out. First of all, the reason I didn't is because all these other EMAs were really tight and I only had 5 shares. So I was risking like $5 or $6 down. But I decided to add in with the remainder of my $150 I had left with another 5 shares, averaging down. Bought them at 356 was actually the bottom of this green candle here perfectly. It's actually the exact bottom. But I averaged into that because they started to come up again. So it was also my setup, like the first minute candle making new high to this dip was this candle. And then they kept on hitting the same resistance point at $31, as you could see. Super stubborn. They hit it once, twice, three, four, five, 6 times, and on the sixth time they finally broke. But it was so fast of a break that it actually didn't even pop up. The only thing that popped up was the wick. I never even saw this candle go up there. The wick just popped up, and it closed, coming down, and the next candle finally broke up, and I just scaled out a couple. I was up like $6 in this trade at the time of up here. I was looking forward to break next candle to come up even more. I was going to scale out everything. So it's good that I started to scale out because that definitely took my loss would have been bigger. That's for sure. Um, my cost basis in this trade was like $30.90, and as you can see, I didn't get out with the rest until 29.21, all the way down here. Now I tried to get out up here, and that didn't work. Extended hours. This candle here, it was 9:29. I can come over here and show you exactly. Here you can see I tried to get out. I tried to sell all 10, um, and that didn't really work. So basically, that's what happened here. That didn't work, so I had to cancel it. And I was really hoping for them to come back up because the first minute candle is always very volatile, so they can come down, they could shoot back up. So in this trade, I was really going off hope. This trade was just not good, and I just realized this: they double topped here. That's why they never went any higher. I just saw that right now. So they double topped, rejected super hard, tried to exit here, and that didn't get filled. And I tried to hold this minute, hoping for that bounce because they normally bounce, but it just continued, and I didn't want to hold anymore. And every time that happens to you, you always catch the bottom. That's just kind of how it works. So I sold the bottom basically, and I could have actually made money if I did hold everything, but there's too much risk in holding. so that's why I had to sell. So that trade, everything here cost me $12.58. It's not a huge loser. This is kind of like a normal loser for me, I guess you could call it now. Um, but my gains need to be at least this or bigger for me to be profitable now. Um, so you can see down 1271 today. Let's go to the other stock. What was it? So it was SJ. This stock, these two stocks, GSX had decent volume. OCGN is going crazy. SJ has no volume. Zoom out here. Here you could see they started to rocket up. I was thinking about buying this bottom, but that didn't work. I bought in here one share at 11.93. So I bought this first minute candle to make a new high over this candle here, where my cursor is, and I didn't sell them. I was hoping for more, but that was where did they hit 12.20. So I was 30 cents of profit basically on that one share. I didn't take it, me being kind of greedy because of my loss, not realizing I was 30 cents. And they came right back down in the same candle, and I sold it at 11.80 just to cut my loss some more, just in case they really wanted to come down. So that was everything I traded today. Um, on this month, my win rate is still like 65 or 68%. I might be able to pull it up really fast here. Trader view on this month. I am down now on the month. Here we go. Here you could see the start of the month, intraday, because I have a one swing trade in here, so I have to filter that out. I was doing great. It's 59%, so I wish it was a little higher. I've had a lot more consecutive green days and red days. We can go over to the calendar. You can see I've had definitely more green days and red days, but lately these couple of, basically these last 2 days where I lost the majority of that money. I was profitable by $20. I had that one big red day of $26, or actually it was $30, put me in the red by 10. And then today I lost 12, so now I'm down 22. We got 4 more days this week to trade on the month. So I'm really hoping that something can be like the market for the gappers come back how it used to be a couple months ago, because then I could really turn this month around. That would be really nice to see. And I just don't want to be red on the month. Obviously, we're all trying to make money. So get that out of here. But yeah, that's all the trades today. If you do enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like. I'm really trying to get to 100 subs by the end of this month. I'm currently at 96. So if you guys could help me get there, that would be great. And thank you for watching.